How to create a line and service profile for the BSNL internet service. Using the GI mode. Username root, password is admin, login, go to the PON board, then profile section, click on DB profile config. We will use DB profile number 1. Click on the line profile config. 01 already created, we will create it here. Line profile 2. Click on add. Fill the line profile ID 2, profile name, whatever required, internet underscore 2, configure, ID2 is created. Now go to the first detail. Now add here tcount ID and DB profile ID. Click on add. Tcount ID is 1, DB profile 1. Confirm. Add success. OK. Now return. Go to the second detail. Add here GEM ID and tcount ID for the GEM mapping. Click on add GEM ID 1, tcount ID will be 1, encryption enable, confirm. Now go to the GEM map detail, click on the detail, add GEM map ID 1 and put here VLAN, whatever VLAN you want to pass through the line profile. I put here 128, starting VLAN of BSNL. Here VLAN is 128. Now click on the return again. Now line profile ID is 2 ID2 is created. Now go to the service profile config. 0 and 1 already created. We will create here ID2, service profile ID2, profile name is internet underscore 2, and ETH number is adaptive, cat number adaptive, ports adaptive. We will put all ports in adaptive state, then confirm. Now here service profile ID is 2 is created. Now line profile ID2 and service profile ID2 created successfully. Now connect the ONT. Go to the PON. I have connected on PON number 1. Go to the ONU manage section. Click on the auto find list. It will find the connected ONT. Here I have connected two ONTs, ONT number 1 and 2. Select anyone. I select here ONT number 1 and authenticate it with the created profile, internet, line profile ID 2 and service profile ID internet underscore 2. Now click on AUTH authenticate. It means authenticate this ONT with the given profile. Authentication is success. OK. Now go to the ONU info list. Here it will show operation state is up. It's mean ONU is authenticated successfully with the given line profile and service profile. You can give a description. You can put here customer name, or I put here internet test. Apply. Now at PON 1, ONU 1 is added successfully. Now you can check the optical power also and click on the PON 1, Then click on the ONU optical parameter. Receive power is minus 14.21 and TX power is 1.83. Now I will create a service port for the same ONT. At port number 1, ONU ID is 1. Now 0 is already created. Now I will add 1, service ID 1, SVLAN 128 on the port number 1 and ONU ID is 1, JM ID 1 and VLAN ID we have passed 128 in the line profile. Tag action is transparent and confirm. Add success. OK. Service port is created with the VLAN 128. Now authentication is done successfully with the created line profile and service profile. Now you can configure your ONT with the given VLAN ID which we have passed through the line profile, that is 128.